I want to talk to you about Equifax Credit Union credit cards for bad credit this year. So let's talk about PenFed first. So first we have PenFed. So when it comes to PenFed, if you're looking for a credit union credit card for bad credit at PenFed, you want to go for a credit card called the PenFed Gold. Okay, that's actually the card that allows you to qualify if you have bad credit. And so basically, this card is great because you have a purchase variable APR at about 17.99%. Okay, now this card actually has no annual fee. Obviously, if you have a good or excellent credit, it helps better, right? It helps you get a higher credit limit, but also a lower APR. But if you have bad credit and you have a good relationship with PenFed, you can still qualify for the PenFed Gold card. PenFed doesn't have a secure credit card, so there is no secure credit card at PenFed for you to really start building credit, okay? And the cool thing about this PenFed Gold credit card is that you are able to have a balanced transfer offer for the first 15 months. That's pretty good. Think about it. 15 months, you have a 0% intro offer. Now, there is a 3% fee that applies to each transaction. So this is something to really account for. But overall, this is a fantastic card if you want to really, let's say, consolidate debt, okay? In addition, you have cell phone protection. You have $1,000 maximum in annual protection for paying your monthly wireless bill with your PenFed Gold card. You have a zero fraud liability. That's really good, and you have the possibility to even upgrade your card later on. Okay, so PenFed does it really easy for members to actually upgrade. So in terms of product change at PenFed, fantastic. One thing I want to say here is that you are able to actually upgrade your PenFed Gold card within 3 months. After 3 months of responsible use, especially if you have a direct deposit coming into a PenFed your PenFed account every 2 weeks, that will really beef up your relationship, okay, with PenFed. So first, Equifax Credit Union credit cards for bad credit. I want you to think about the PenFed Gold Visa credit card. If you have bad credit and you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for bad credit, think about Service Credit Union. And at Service Credit Union, you want to go for a specific card, and that card is called the Service Credit Union Visa Everyday Starter Credit Card. Okay, that's really a great card that allows you to grow your credit without worrying about overspending. Okay, so this is actually, when you think about it, the right card for you if you are just starting out. Okay, so if you have no credit history or bad credit, you want to really go with this card. So Service actually offers the Everyday Starter Credit Card, which is really perfect for you if you're just beginning to establish credit. And the cool thing is, this is an unsecured credit card. I want to insist on that. This is an unsecured credit card. Now, this card has a limit of $1,000, no annual fee, and no hidden APR increases for late payments. So by making regular payments on this card, you'll start to grow your credit score and increase your future lending options. So that's really fantastic. And what you will love with this card is that you have the possibility to really upgrade real fast. Now, to upgrade to which one? You can upgrade to the Visa Signature Everyday Elite card. This is actually one of the best cards on the market for now. Okay, if you have bad credit or even fair credit, you can't qualify for this card. But I still want to talk to you about it because we're allowed to dream, right? So this Visa Signature Everyday Elite card allows you to maximize your rewards. You have 1.5 points on all purchases. You can spend $1,500 in the first 60 days, and you can earn 15,000 bonus points. There are no annual fees with this card. Fantastic. And you can also upgrade your Service Credit Union credit card to the Visa Everyday Credit Card. And this is a card that also has a low APR on purchases. You have travel and emergency assistance services, and the card has no annual fee. And this card also allows you to establish your credit. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. If you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about Logix. Logix is the credit union, and particularly I want to really focus on the Logix Platinum MasterCard. The thing about Logix is that you have all kinds of possibility with this institution. You have the possibility to get things done, to get approved real fast, okay? And Logix is pretty open when it comes to membership. So there is no geo restriction. You don't have to live in a specific state to actually qualify for membership, okay? And if you have bad credit, you want to go for the platinum, the platinum MasterCard, okay? This is actually a card that allows you to get 0% intro APR for the first 6 months on purchases, okay? And so now 0% APR 6 months, and after that you are looking at 12%. So that's really good. So there are no foreign transaction fees. You have low monthly payments. So you have once the 6 months are over, to have 12% APR, and you are also able to have no annual fee. So you can enjoy a $0 annual fee on this card. Really fantastic. So with Logix allows you to actually have a credit card you can start using right away. One thing I want to say is that Logix actually enjoys having relationships. So if you want to really increase your credit limits on this Logix credit card, you want to really I think I've said this before, but I will say this again. You want to have maybe direct deposit coming into your account, or you want to have other types of relationship building with Logix. Maybe you want to have a savings account. Maybe you want to really buy insurance from one of their partners, or maybe you want to really also have other loans with them, like a mortgage or a car loan, whatever. So that's something to really think about, or even a checking account. The bottom line is you want to have a deeper relationship with Logix, so you can really parlay that relationship into a higher credit limits. So that's really important. If you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about Fairwinds this year. And when you think about Fairwinds, you actually have 2 credit cards to account for. So you have the Visa Signature card, and then you have the preferred cashback Visa Signature. Now, if you have bad credit, chances are you could qualify for the Visa Signature. The likelihood for you qualifying for that card is higher than with the preferred cashback Visa Signature. Fairwinds, as an institution, doesn't have a secured Visa credit card offer, so you can't say, you know what, I have bad credit, and this is the card I'm gonna use to actually build my credit back up. Okay, so you can just apply for an unsecured Visa credit card at Fairwinds. Now you want to go for the Visa Signature card that allows you to earn 60,000 bonus points when you spend 5,000 in the first 3 months from opening. That's really a $900 travel value. Okay, and in terms of rewards, you will really love the fact that you can earn 5x points on theme park tickets, 5x points on travel, 3x points on dining, and 2x points on all other purchases. Okay, you can receive VIP access to events, exclusive shopping, dining, and travel offers with 24-hour Visa Signature concierge service. The APR is pretty decent too. I mean, 18%. I mean, they're not charging you that much. And if you have bad credit, paying 18%, it's really not that bad if you think about it. Okay, $95, and that's for the Visa Signature. You also have the preferred cashback Visa Signature, but this is actually a top tier credit card at Fairwinds that you can qualify for after a while, by the way. Okay, and this card allows you to have a special introductory rate of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months after account opening. And after 12 months, your variable APR will range from 15% to 18% based on your credit worthiness. And you also have a 1.5% unlimited cashback on all of your purchases. So that's pretty good. If you're looking for Equifax Credit Union credit cards for bad credit, I want you to think about Blaze this year. Okay, Blaze is actually a great credit union, and so I want you to think about the Blaze Benefits credit card. And this is a card that actually allows you to, this is a Blaze Visa credit card, by the way, Blaze Visa credit card. And this card allows you to enjoy cashback and travel rewards, okay, along with Visa Signature credit card benefits. So that's really good in terms of flexibility, by the way. And you have, for instance, the possibility to get $200. So you can get $200 in cashback rewards when you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days. Okay. And so that's really good. You also have 0% APR for 12 months. So you can enjoy 0% APR on purchases made within 12 months of opening your account. So that's really good. And also with this card, if you go through Blaze, you have the possibility to actually get even more. Why? You can actually have 2.99% APR on balance transfers. So you can really, but you have to actually use you have to do the transfers within 90 days of opening your account. So that's something, and you can and you only enjoy the 2.99% for 12 months. Okay, and there is no fee to transfer your credit card balance to Blaze, which is really good because PenFed, for instance, charges you 3% for balance transfer fees. So Blaze doesn't do anything. Blaze actually will transfer your debts to them. I mean, and they will work with you to actually not charge you anything at all. So that's really, really good. What I want to say in general is that if you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for bad credit, you have to first ask yourself, what institution am I currently in? And does this institution pull Equifax or TransUnion or Experian, right? Because otherwise, why would you reinvent the wheel? First, find out what your current institution does before actually venturing elsewhere. If you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for a bad credit, I want you to think about NIHFCU. And with NIHFCU, you have a series of credit cards. And the one that I'm really interested in mostly is actually called the Cashback credit card. Okay, let me really quickly go through it. So, because I want you to really understand here. So, the Cashback credit card allows you to earn up to 1.5% cashback on all purchases, 1.5%. And so you can earn 1.5% for every dollar of net purchases when points are redeemed as cashback. And this card has no annual fee. Okay, and you also have actually competitive rates. Fantastic, really, really fantastic. What I want to say here is that you have the possibility to get things done real fast. Okay, so you have Visa credit cards. You have no annual fee, great low rates and fees, credit limits up to $25,000. Now, obviously, if you have bad credit, you're not going to qualify for $25,000. That's for sure. You probably have $1,000 to $5,000 to start, and then NIHFCU will review your account to see how good of a card holder you are, right? And based on your behavior, they'll actually will raise your limits. Okay, but the cool thing is that if you go to NIHFCU, you have two cards to actually think about. You have the Visa Platinum card, and then you have another card, and that's actually let's say the Visa Signature Travel credit cards. Yeah, so those are the two cards that you want to really pay attention to. Let me quickly talk to you about the Visa Platinum card. Here you have a 2.99% intro APR for the first 12 months on balance transfers. Then you have a variable APR of currently 13 to 18%. That's really good. Okay, so the card is called NIHFCU Visa Platinum card. The second card I want you to really think about is the NIHFCU Visa Signature Cash Rewards. So cash rewards, and you're able to earn 4% cashback rewards in the first 12 months and 3% thereafter in these categories: automated fuel dispensers and service stations. So that's really good. You have electric vehicle charging, groceries, rideshare, taxi, limo, utilities, and wholesale clubs. Fantastic. Finally, you have a third card, by the way. It's three card, the Visa Signature Travel Rewards, that allow you to earn 3x rewards points in several categories, including automated fuel dispensers and service stations, dining, electric vehicle charging, rideshare, taxi, limo, and now travel. If you're looking for an Equifax Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about Blue FCU. So Blue Fed, okay, and Blue Fed actually has a series of credit cards that you might be interested in. But the cool thing is that I want you to really focus on the low variable personal credit card. And this card is pretty great because it allows you to actually have an APR that starts at 12.50%. So this is pretty low if you have bad credit. So 12.50%, and you have a you have the ability to actually increase to reduce your APR with a good use of the card. And so with this low rate and high value, anything is possible. Okay. Besides, you also have the variable rewards personal credit card that allows you to earn rewards for every dollar you spend, and also allow you to unlock your full potential. You also have so with this card, you have an APR that starts at 15.50%, so 15.50. You also have the business rewards credit card. So this card allows you to have to actually streamline your business purchases. The APR is kind of high though. You are looking at 17.50%, but it is what it is. If you want to enjoy the convenience, then the Blue Fed offers, then that's the price you have to pay. Okay. And finally, what I want to say is that Blue Fed actually is great in a certain geography. So please, before you actually sign up with Blue Fed, whether you have bad credit or good credit, first make sure that you are within the geography that they cover. Otherwise, you just be wasting your time and money. In conclusion, today's conversation, I spoke to you about Equifax Credit Union credit cards for bad credit. I spoke about PenFed, Service Credit Union, Logix, Fairwinds, Blaze, NIH FCU, and Blue FCU. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.